Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Today I got a pair of 286 bucks. I don't know if I've ever done a 286 or not. 3 1/4 inch blade or so. USA. They come all kinds of frames. This one's camo. Kinds of grips, I should say. Got that worn look. I think that handle's about 4.5, maybe 5. Good, comfortable handle. I don't think you can beat them, really. Made in USA. Lock and blade. Clip on both, clip on them. They're so light they pack easy too. Well, folks, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you.